Hi, it's Angie, your office manager and Dr. Dutch, here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic. So, Doc, what's up?
So next Tuesday, November 14th at 6:30 p.m., we are going to be having our health restoration class webinar. It is online, so you can watch it from the comfort of your own home. Great opportunity to learn more about what we're doing here at the clinic, how we can help you or somebody you love. So get registered for that today by going to our website to the events page.
Yep. Okay, so not tomorrow, but the following Tuesday.
November 14th.
That's right, November 14th. All right, also, month of November, it is Thanksgiving. So although we will be closed on Thanksgiving Day and the day after Thanksgiving to let all of our staff be able to celebrate with their families, we are doing our Metropolitan Ministries food drive this month, right?
Yes. So again, Metropolitan Ministries, a great organization. Every month they feed about 70,000 people. This year they're looking to feed 30,000 families over the holiday season. So we're very grateful to be a part of that for them.
Yes, we love partnering with them, and we've been doing it for a number of years now. But in doing that, we will have a list, and that's going to be found on our events page as well, for your help. So if you fill a bag with all the items, so all the items that are listed, as a new patient, you can get a free exam, which that's a $100 savings. But if you're an existing patient, you can be entered into a raffle to win a 1-hour massage with Corey. So anybody who's experienced a massage with Corey,
That's a great deal.
That's a great deal. And to be able to get a free exam and find out if you need us, that is a wonderful opportunity as well. So,
Or to give to somebody you know that needs it.
oh, absolutely, absolutely. So bring in that food. We love to make great donations over to Metropolitan Ministries. Also, this week, are we doing water?
No water.
Water! Why?
And that's because
By popular demand,
hot apple cider's back.
hot apple cider's back. So get in before we drink it all ourselves, because we are known for that too. So, well, that's it for this week. And we just want to tell you once again how thankful we are for you. And if you have not been in, make sure you do get in, because holidays, the stresses of that, it has an effect. So we want to make sure that you're holding that correction, that your body's functioning at optimum. Because here at Pierce Clinic, remember, we're not just about a gentle adjustment. It's about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. So thanks so much. Take care.
Bye.